Yuli and I'm here with Momo today, and we're going to take a look at the AOC AGON monitor, and it's the model AG275QXR. This model is currently only available in Asia, but we got our hands on this very special model and we're going to have a look at it together today. All right. This is definitely pink. So this is the stand for the monitor, and then you will see pretty quickly when you unpack that there's also the arm, where you attach the monitor. Cable box, of course. So everything you need is already in the box. And now the actual highlight. It's a 27-inch monitor. And what I like the most about it personally is how thin the edges are. It looks very classy. And the monitor itself is very simple, and then the color punch kind of comes from the stand. Yeah, I like it a lot. Let's go set it up now. I'm normally very clumsy, but this looks very straightforward, so I should be able to, yep. So this just easily locks in. And then this has a clicking mechanism that I hopefully can, oh, yeah, honestly, this is so fast. All right, that's already it. Okay, so here we are. We have finally set up everything, and I actually brought my personal peripherals. I never had a monitor that matched everything so perfectly. Aesthetically, it's definitely very, very nice, I think, for me, and probably for many of you guys as well. You should not forget that this is actually a very, very powerful gaming monitor. It has 27-inch display. It also has 170 Hz, 1 ms refresh time, and it is QHD. And it is also NVIDIA G-Sync Compatible. And of course, once again, I would like to thank AGON by AOC for sending this monitor to us and letting me have an early look. And I think my setup is going to be so much cozier with it, so I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.